How to make healthy slow cooker chicken noodle soup, 10 minutes prep time. 1. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper and place into the slow cooker. 2. Place the vegetables, garlic, and Italian herbs to the slow cooker. 3. Add 7 cups of liquid chicken stock and turn the slow cooker on, cook for 6 to 8 hours. 4. Remove the chicken, shred the chicken with 2 forks and return to the slow cooker for 10 minutes. 5. Add the cooked pasta to the slow cooker and stir. Cooking time. Cook the soup in the slow cooker on low for 8 hours or on high for 6 hours. Serve when done. Ingredients in description.